What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar man. I just want to show you guys what's going on here. You can check the account is $500. The balance is $500. Running at a profit of 1,500. Guys, this is what happens when you focus on perfecting your skill and you really push. Crushing the market as always. I'm going to take this account to $10,000. $500 to $10,000. I'm shooting this video because I'm about to close this trade. I've met my target, man. I know some of you will say I'm over leveraging, I'm doing this, but what's going on, man? I'm a rock star at the end of the day. I've been doing this for a long time now. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I need to close now. I need to close now. I need to close now. I need to close. No. I need to close now. 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 That's the 1,876. Look, this is where I caught it from. In the bottom. From the bottom, man. From the bottom. Right here. This is where I caught it from. This is what happens when you catch the lows and the highs every day, man. $1,000 a day is all you need. God bless everybody. I'm back with the bang. Bang, bang. God bless everybody. Yours truly, signing out.